Ladies and gentlemen, it's 5 o'clock here. We're going to be selling a rare typewriter. We might set a world record right now. Get ready. Ladies and gentlemen, right here is the Coffman typewriter. Brian discovered it at the estate of the late Patricia Marshall in Raleigh. I don't know why she had it, but she had it, and it's extremely rare. There's only 3 known to exist, ladies and gentlemen. There's never been one sold at auction. Right here's one. Get ready, y'all don't know that's going to happen tonight. It's a Coffman typewriter, extreme rare. Extreme rare. Condition is excellent, hadn't been altered in any way. It's all original, signed and patent numbered on it, ladies and gentlemen, from St. Louis, Missouri. What's the deal? Take this opportunity, that's all I can tell you. What's the deal? Who did about 10,000 to go? 10,000, 7,500, who did 5,000 to go? 37, 3,700 gotta go. 37, 3,700, 3,700, anybody 3,700, and 37, 3,700 gotta go. Anybody 3,700, get your cards up, you'll never say nothing. 3,700, anybody 3,700, get 3,700, last call. Anybody 3,700, 37, he's back in. 38, Donald. 38, 38, 38, 3,800, and 38, 38, 38, now 3,900, 3,900, Spud, 39, 3,900, and 39, 39, 39, 3,900, gotta go. 3,900, anybody 3,900, gotta go, Spud. 3,900 going once, 3,900 going twice, 3,900. So about $3,800 by number 1861. Congratulations. Congratulations.